guys, welcome to Not Mark II Golf Stories. Today I'm off to look at a very old and very special Volkswagen. So, let's go. Okay, here we are with Stephen. And Stephen, this is your 1957 split screen van, and it's got a bit of a history about it, I do believe.
Yes, it has.
Tell us about the history of this, how you came to get it, how long you've had it, and we'll start there, I think.
Okay. We've had this, we started looking for a van about 12 years ago, and we found this company. I don't know if they're still going now, Morecambe and Wise.
Mhm.
They imported vans from various places in North America, and then they basically, you asked what type of van you wanted, what spec they shipped it over for you.
Oh, wow.
And it wasn't a lot. It wasn't a quick process. It took basically over a year to get from them finding the van, working on the van, and passing it over to myself.
Had you paid some money up front at this point? Were you thinking, is this van going to materialise? Or
Yeah, that was the thing. But
yeah,
they gave guarantees
right.
of you paid so much for the first finding and then bringing the van over.
Mhm.
And then once they started work on it, you gave another some and then it sort of went there, and then at the end you just paid off.
Wow.
And then you could choose paints, details, format inside. The van comes from I can't remember, but somewhere in California.
Wow.
It was a dry area.
Yeah.
They'd find I think at that time, sort of from like the mid-noughties to the mid-teens, I think quite a lot of people would do it, looking for cars and then shipping them over. And I think it may have died a bit now, but I'm not sure, because I think everyone's found what they've been looking for.
All the gems have probably been taken.
Yeah.
And am I right in thinking this was living in a field in California?
Yeah, it was in a field. Or there were a few other vehicles there, and that which I saw from the photographs and things like that.
Do you know the history of it before it went to California at all?
That I don't know anything before that, apart from obviously sometime before that it was all imported from Germany.
Right. Yeah.
So apart from that short bit of history, that's all I.
So basically, you effectively got to spec out your dream van. So you gave them the style of van.
Yeah.
What you wanted is they built that interior for you.
Yes.
And then you got to choose the paint colour as well.
The paint and the seats and the things, furnishings, shall we say? Is that you could see on the pictures that they sent original when they found it, the original colour, where there was a few, there was a box of stuff inside, if you know what I mean.
Right, yeah.
What they used. It's not the original engine.
The engine looks pretty.
Yeah, that
looks in pretty good condition.
And that had that's a 1600.
Right. Okay. Oh, it's got a. It's not a Weber carb, is it? But, yeah, it looks incredible condition. Have you had a chance to use it much over the last 12 years, or?
We have used it a bit, but not perhaps as much as you could have. And it did have a bit of work a couple of years ago on by another company. So
is that effectively a brand new engine, like completely rebuilt and recommissioned?
Yes, it's rebuilt.
Wow.
It's quite reliable. It's.
Oh, hello. Who's this?
Next, Daffer's friend.
You got barn doors on it.
Yeah. I have also there's a table which goes up in the middle, and the thing.
Oh, looks incredible.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's obviously the steering wheel's original, and things. So it's quite a.
And what's it like to drive? I believe you've got a bit of an issue with gears, but
Gears.
aside from that,
It's apart from the gears, it's quite easy to once you get going.
I've driven a Beetle, and that's a little bit like being on a cloud as you drive. It's very bouncy and soft. Is this a similar sort of?
Yeah, it's got upgraded suspension.
Nice.
as well, but it's a sort of different drive to your normal car.
Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, what you're driving day to day is that what year's your Golf? A bit of a difference between that and this.
14.
14, yeah. So there's a good 60 odd years
Yeah,
between them.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow, it's an incredible looking van.
Yeah.
Before you lived down in Norfolk.
Yeah.
And
I was going to get transport it up here.
Yeah.
But I thought, oh, it's a nice day like today. I thought, well, I'll see how I go. And I got some stuff ready, and I set off about 10 o'clock, got some petrol, and then I thought, oh, I broke it up into different sections in my head, and then set off. And I thought, oh, I got there. I thought, oh, if I just keep going, do another section, and then see how I feel and how we get here. And then in the end, it probably took about 10 hours or so to get up here. But you sort of drive for an hour and a half.
have a break,
And then do another bit. And
wow.
I didn't come over the top. I come sort of like through Leek and that way.
Right.
And it was interesting journey.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad.
Didn't break down though.
No, that's just a few issues with the gears. It got here, but the gear for part of the way was a bit funny.
Okay, yeah. Well, just incredible.
Yeah.
10 hours in a van. Can you imagine?
Shall I try it?
Yeah, let's give it a go.
Bit smoky.
It's all right now. It's cleared up now. She lives.
Yeah.
Excellent. There you go. She's running nice now. Whew. Okay, let's go for a little drive. See what it's like.
So we get second gear now. But
Yeah. It's a bit hit and miss, is it then?
yeah. And
it's weird for me to feel how close to the front of the vehicle you are.
Yeah. It's quite a nice drive in a way.
Yeah.
You just alter that mirror there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Cool.
We'll just
What?
Electric mirrors.
Electric mirrors, yeah.
right. At least we're moving. We've got motion anyway.
We do.
Top speed. It's
What are the brakes like?
They work.
Good. Just checking as we're going downhill.
Yeah.
This is cool. I can imagine a 10-hour drive wouldn't be be overly tiring. This is quite.
Well,
Apart from if you've got the nose steering.
the steering's not. Takes a bit of getting used to.
Yeah.
But when you get into the, shall we say, the rhythm of driving of it's quite okay. Yeah.
Mm.
I used to work in Germany, and there were like lads that lived in Hamburg or that would drive in a Beetle all the way to near Munich
Whoa.
on their days off. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And also like they go to like Switzerland skiing and things like that.
Wow.
But I know it's sort of like a totally different time, isn't it? See, that's where it has the thing go into fourth. So I'll just keep it into third.
Yeah.
I enjoy just popping around in it.
Yeah, I'll bet you. It's such a cute little area as this as well. It's lovely around here. I think having 3 out of 4 gears is pretty good for any Volkswagen, to be honest with you. How's it in the back there, James?
Yeah, it's alright. It's a bit no seatbelts, but hey ho.
Feeling safe enough there?
Yeah, fine. Just put my feet up. Facing this way.
Been round to various shows and places and seen them and got in them and that, but that was the first
It was your first time driving?
First time driving one.
Was that a bit of a shock?
I don't know. You remember like old cars, don't you, how they were, like when you first start to drive and whatever. Like my dad had an old Triumph Herald. You could have had power steering, but it's got disc brakes at the front, but it's not power steering.
Right, got you. Do you have a favourite thing about this van?
A bit of a feel-good factor.
Yeah.
You know, like everything's sort of like relaxed and calm, usually. And
yeah. Okay, well, big thanks to Stephen for letting us have a look around his van. What an incredible piece of machinery. Let us know what you think of it. Don't forget to give us a like, click on subscribe for more awesome adventures looking at cool cars. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.